Okay, good day. Hello everyone. Miss Lamasi here. Today we're going to arrange numbers from the smallest to the largest number, right? So I'm using these counters here to show you how much each number has. Okay, so we're going to start counting. This number is, let's count and find out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this number is 1, 2, 3. This number is 1, 2. This number, the amount you have here is 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is 1. Okay, so today we want to arrange numbers from the smallest. We're starting with the smallest and then we're going up to the number that has the most, right? So let us look at all these counters here. We said this was 5. Let me write it. This is the number 5. This is 1, 2, 3. This is the number 1, 2. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, and this one is 1. Right, of all of these, right, which one has the littlest amount? Which number is the smallest? Is it 5, 3, 2, 4, or 1? Yes, 1 is the smallest. So I'm going to put 1 first, right? So 1 is the smallest. So the first number I'm going to write is 1. And I'm going to put the 1 counter here. So that comes first, okay? Remember, they're all mixed up. I'm trying to get them in order from the smallest to the largest. Now let us look at all that is left here. 5, 3, 2, 4. Of all of these numbers, which one has the smallest amount? Is it 5? Is it 3? Is it 2? Or is it 4? The smallest amount, yes. Okay, so that will go next. Number 2 is the smallest of what is left behind there. So that number is going to come next because remember, we are going from the smallest to the largest. Okay? Right. So of what's left up here in the mix-up numbers, which one is the smallest? We're taking all the smallest ones first. 1 was the smallest of them all, and then 2 came next, being the smallest. And now, of all of these here, which one is the smallest? Is it 5? Look at how many 5 has. Is it 3? Look at how many 3 has. Or is it 4? Yes, you would be correct if you said 3. So, right. So I'm going to put it right there. Number 3 comes next. Right? So I'm going to write the number 3. So if you notice as we're going this way, the numbers are getting bigger or more. This is 1, only 1. Then 2 is a little bigger than 1. Then 3, which I didn't write too well, is a little bigger than 2. Right? So as we go on, as we keep counting, the numbers are growing. They're getting bigger. Now, of these two numbers here, which one has the most counters and which one has less? Yes. Okay, yes, number 5 has the most and 4 has less. So remember, we're starting off with the smallest first and then we're leading up to the biggest. So 4 will go next, right? 4. If you look here, 1, 2 is a little more than 1. 3 is more than 2. So the numbers are getting bigger, larger amount as we come this way. So I'm going to take all these 4 counters. I hope you could pick it up in the camera frame here. Let me see if I can get it there for you. Oops, just now. Wait a minute. Right. Oops. Right. So 4 counters here, right? And the largest of all the numbers today is number, let me put it a little more like that. Number 5, who is left up here, right? So she or he was the biggest, the largest of them. So now, when we're ordering these numbers, you can see that number 5 is the biggest, right? So we went from the smallest smallest to the largest, the one with the most counters. Oops. Right, that is it there. From the smallest, so 1 is the smallest, then comes 2, then comes 3, then comes 4, then comes 5. And if you continue counting, as you count, the numbers get bigger. They have more things in them, right? Okay, so that was comparing numbers and ordering them from the smallest to the largest in the group. Okay, hope this helps. Bye.